Andy, come on. You need to start making decisions. Like what? Like, what are you going to do with these toys? Should we donate them to Sunnyside? No. Maybe sell them online? No one's going to want those old toys. They're junk. Fine. You have till Friday. Anything that's not packed for college or in the attic is getting thrown out. Whatever you say, Mom.
Woody. Oh, wala ka na. Look. Who's that?
We're getting thrown out, you idiot. That's what's happening.
Who's that? Who's that?
You need a hand? Here. So you're gonna miss me when I'm gone? I think no. Nope. I can't breathe! Oh, this can't be happening! Quiet! What's that sound?
Who's that? Who's that, baby? Yeah. Who's that? It's Woody. Yeah. It's your toy.
Okay, boy, to the curb! Yeah! No!
Who's that? It's Woody, baby. It's Woody. You see? It's the same, right? Uh-huh. Who's that? Who's that?
We're on the curb! Oh, I know to come to this. Pull, everyone! Pull! It won't rip up! Forget it! That's triple ply, high-density polyethylene! There's gotta be a way out. Oh, Andy doesn't want us. What's the point? Point! Fine! I can hear the garbage truck! It's getting closer!
It's Woody. Yes, my darling, it's your toy.
Andy threw it down like we were garbage. Junk. He called us junk. How could he? This doesn't make any sense. I should have seen this coming. It's Emily all over again. Sarge was right. Yeah, and Woody was wrong. Wait, hold on. This is no time to be hysterical. It's the perfect time to be hysterical. Should we be hysterical? Now, yes, maybe, but not right now. Fellas, I know.
Who's that? Oh, who's that boy?
Jesse, wait. What about Woody?
Hmm?
Fine, Buzz. Andy's taking him to college. Now we need to go.
It's Woody. Oh, love Woody, darling. Love Woody.
Is being donated? Under control, Woody. We have a
Love,
plan.
Nanny.
Daycare. Daycare? What, have you all lost your marbles? The thing's just me. Andy threw it away. No, he was putting you in the attic. Attic? So how do we end up on the curb? That was a mistake. Andy's mom thought you were... After he put us in a trash bag. He called us junk. I know, it looks bad. But guys, you gotta believe me. Sure thing, college boy. Andy's moving on, Woody. It's time we do the same. Okay.
Yes, that's him. Yes, my love, that's him. That's Woody. That's a movie. We're movie, and where Woody's the star. He's wearing the same clothes.
Oh, it's all right, Andy. You'll be okay. Well, Ryan, I have been going for years. Okay, listen up. We can get back to Andy's, but we gotta move fast. We can hide under the seats till we get back home.
Woody. Yes, anak, it's the same.
All right, calm down, both of you. Okay, fine, fine. Just wait till you see what daycare's like. Why? What's it like? Daycare is a sad, lonely place for washed-up old boys who have no homes. Quite the chopper, huh?
See, Barbie's crying and you're laughing.
Taking to go home.
No, anak. Mommy lang will hold. Oh, here. You keep it there and then you watch.
Can anyone see anything? There's a playground. Wow. We have the jackpot.
There must be sad and lonely, eh?
Okay, calm down. Let's just keep this in perspective. Perspective? This place is perfect. Woody, it's nice. See, the door has a rainbow on it. I just wanted to drop these old toys off. Is this fun? Look how big you are.
Oh, look like Mika's hair. It's
Anymore.
Bonnie.
Andy's going to college on Friday. What? Can you believe it? You sure they won't miss you? No, they never get played with. You see the kids? Where's she taking us? Look! Wow! What? What is it?
Mm-hmm. Boys and girls. Wow.
I can't see! Okay, everyone, get back. Come on.
Now what do we do? Careful. These toys might be jealous of your arrival.
I want...
Mm-hmm. Yes, that's him. I know, anak. That's him. Eh, moved it naman kasi. Oh, wait lang.
Folks, if you want to step right this way.
Barbie.
I'm Ken. Barbie.
Hey, don't move it. Sige. Oh, it will start again, darling. It's not my fault. You were the one who moved it.
Well, thank you, big baby. Why don't you come meet our new friend?
Mm.
It was the best thing that ever happened to you.
Mr. Lotso, do toys here get played with every day?
All day long, 5 days a week.
What happens when the kids grow up?
Well, now, I tell you, when the kids get old, new ones come in. When they get old, new ones replace them. You'll never be outgrown, unnecessary, whatever. No toys. And you want to stay in because we're Andy's toys. So you got donated by this Andy, huh? No more. Well, let's get you all settled in. Ben?
Oh, wala pa si daddy, anak. Later.
Toys.
Wow, down in the chip, Lotso.
Coming home na, ha?
So, who's ready for Ken's Dream Tour? Let's show our new friends where they'll be staying.
Folks, if you want to step right this way.
Barbie.
Barbie, have we ever met?
I was another. What a great one. Come on, Ken. Recess don't last forever. Right on, Lotso. Lots of folks. Little ones love new toys. Nice bear.
And he smells like strawberry.
Woody.
Folks, if I can share, here at Sunnyside, we've got, well, just about anything a toy could ask.
Spare parts, super glue, and enough fresh batteries to choke a hungry hippo. Think you're getting old?
Sorry, bear stock will keep you stuck. Thank you.
Mm.
Canyons assemble!
Okay.
The little ones love new toys. Nice bear.
Don't do that to the boot.
Folks, if I can share, here at Sunnyside, we've got
Yeah.
anything a toy could ask.
Spare parts, super glue, and enough fresh batteries to choke a hungry hippo. Think you're getting old? Well, stop your worrying.
Sorry, bear stock will keep you stuck, plucked, and thank you.
Elephant.
And this is where I live. Ken's Dream House. Disco, dune buggy. Whole room
Mm-hmm.
just for trying on clothes. You have everything. Everything. Except someone's shirt.
Don't do that, darling.
You need anything at all, you just come talk to me. Here we are. Well, thank you,
Baby.
Why don't you come meet our new friend? Poor baby. We were thrown out together, man. owners at Sunnyside. We own ourselves. We're masters of our own fate. We control our own destiny. Now, watch out for puddles. Here's where you folks will be staying. The Caterpillar Room.